let's do the room tour really quick for you guys to see. And the room tour today is a little bit different. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are Dan and Bella. So we are arriving here now at Hampton Inn by Hilton Hotel now, in a small town or a small city called Kaiserslautern, or the American way they always call K-Town. So here is the check-in area or the lobby. After checking in, we are going to the military base store for buying stuff and had some lunch. But since in this episode is all about the hotel review in this hotel, so we will show you guys the rest of the day in the city in the next episode.
The next day.
Good morning everybody. So this is the breakfast. Turkey, some fry, so they got like some meatball, veggie meatball, bacon, scrambled egg, and this is my favorite section, some cold cut, and then here's trying to get some, oh, looks good. And then some bread. This is like freshly grilled here. That one is that. And this one is more nuts. Cereal. And some juices. Vitamin juice, orange, sparkling water, still water. And you got some, oh, this is my favorite part of the breakfast in Germany, so they got like different type of tea. Those are like really strong. And that is sugar. And then you can make your own coffee. And the bread section here. Ooh, maybe I'm gonna try that. So the bread section here. And then I'm waiting for that waffle to come, because this is my favorite one, so you can like make your own right here. Yeah. I think it's one egg. Just get one. And then we're gonna have some bacon. This is my favorite waffle right here. So after you fill up, you're kind of like switching, so then it's gonna work for I think it's about 3 minutes. So it's ready. Here we go. So the waffle and peanut butter. This one's like a crunchy peanut butter, and then I have it like jam. It's really good, and also peanut butter. It kind of like you can feel like a pieces of the whole peanut butter. I think it's perfect for me, but most of the people like them, he eat peanut butter, but it's only the smooth, the smooth one. How to say? Yeah, anyway, he doesn't eat like that, kind of like a small pieces, so it kind of like you are eating peanut, but for me it's perfect, so it's good. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. So he's going to work, business trip. So today is the second day in Germany, and we just did a quick breakfast before then he's go back to work, because this trip is more for a business trip for them, and for me my business trip too, to film the trip for you guys to see. That's my business. Anyway, yesterday we went to the base store, so look what I got. Ta-da! So I got these Nike shoes, and it has like a very good discount from $96 to $62. It's pretty good. And then this one's like getting old. That's my sneaker one. But the most important thing is I still love them. And the thing is, this one is hurt my toenail really bad. That's why I'm buying this. Oh my god, I love the new one, like really good. But I'm gonna wash this one when we go home. And then he also got the one pair, like a really nice one too. This one, I don't know if it has discount or not yesterday. Probably not, because this one is quite a new design. So he got like the Under Armour pair of shoes, running shoes. And then this one, there's no discount, but pretty good price, $60 US. What? Mine is 62 with discount. Mine, wow, mine, even though with the discount, is still a little more expensive. Anyway, it's so comfortable to wear. Let's do the room tour real quick for you guys to see. And the room tour today is a little bit different, because normally I do the room tours like when we are just arrived and checking in, before we lay down everything of our luggages and stuff. So yeah, today it's about like how the room look like after you putting everything off your luggages, like I mentioned. So that is the whole room. I mean, like in Germany, the room is not that kind of big, and also kind of like a little expensive, and depend on the season, especially now. Yeah, so alright, so that is my messing part about, you know, like camera, charger, and my laptop there. And then my laptop doing the editing some vlog. So this is kind of like, okay, let me stand right here so then you guys can see a little more clear. So it's the bed. It's a little bit small, I mean, for the entire room, but I don't think it's too small actually. So yeah, and then you got the view there. Our view today is facing to in front of the hotel, so you got like a parking over there. And it's raining. Yeah, anyway, so the working desk here, and I love about this because if you don't want to use your working desk, you kind of like pushing like this, like that. So it kind of like save you a little bit more space. But we have, so then he need to be working when he's coming back. And you got TV, and that is the only area that you kind of feel like you have more space. So we have two luggages, which is we cannot lay on the floor, because if we are laying on the floor, it will be like so much narrow to walk. So that's why we just like putting everything on the sofa. And then yeah, you can see we got one carry-on luggage, one on the sofa and another one's on the floor. And then for the minibar area, so here they don't really put any minibar that they will charge you or anything, so pretty much just the empty fridge. But we went to the base store yesterday, like you see. We have like bought all our own water, juice, Fanta, and the Fanta in Europe, like, it's really very high carbonation thing, and it's a little bit less sweet, and it's more like sour flavor. We kind of like it a lot, so we bought two, like you can see, and then some milk, some Red Bull, and the iron here I forgot to mention. Safety box. And then some more coffee item here. Coffee, tea for free, water for free. And we never forget the cup noodle. because I'm the only person who always hungry at night, so it's always have a good backup in case you are hungry, and plus it's a really good price. And that's me. I'm filming in from my phone. Yes, a GoPro still charging. And then for the bathroom, pretty much like standard, or how to say, like it's really nice though. That the only thing is they don't have like the water spray. And then just like one sink, nice mirror, and then yeah, that's how the European bathroom or toilet look like. I mean, yeah, it's the same in United States. There is no water spray on your butt. And then you got some more space, like the closet area, normally how it's called, but here they don't really give you any kind of like closet. Like you can see the room is pretty small in this city, K-Town. And the other part of the city in Germany, the room is not that big either. So yes, you got that space. And then for this space, whether maybe you get something to put inside, but I do not recommend to put anything inside here. The reason is you always forget because you cannot see, right? I mean, it's if it makes sense for you guys, but and yeah, so that's the room tour for today. For the parking lot in the big city, you always pay for the parking fee. However, this hotel offering a special offer. It is free parking. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching and coming along with us in this episode. Please give us a big like and subscribe. That would be a big help to grow our channel. And for now, you guys have a great day. Bye!